now I'm gonna break you guys down on our detailing products. With obviously we like to go here with Meguiar's. We've been using that product here for a few years now, and actually it's been working very, very good on us. The final results on it are awesome. So I actually like to go with that. And I want to break you guys down with compound. So what we use here is basically 2 steps. We go with our first step, which is our 100. It's our Pro Speed compound by them. It actually cuts perfectly on there, so I love it. It's literally like butter once you start buffing that thing out. And I like to go old school with it, which is our wool pad. It's a 3M wool pad that we use. It works just fine for me. And obviously, everybody has their different techniques. I like to go with that one, with the old school one, with the rotary and a wool pad. Very old fashioned. And then you come in with your step 2, which is your ultra finish polish, your 205 by Meguiar's, which is another awesome product. Once you're done with the 100, you jump to your 205. Once you hit it with your 205 with a foam pad, remember it's very important what pad to use. You want to use your polishing pad. In this case, I use a 3M as well. I use the 3M polishing pad, so remember that, guys. And after you hit it with the foam pad, you're pretty much ready to start cleaning that thing up. So all the residue, I usually wipe it down with the waterless wash and wax by Meguiar's as well. It works awesome, you know, it wipes down all the residue that is left over from your polishing. So you clean it up pretty much, in other words, with that. And obviously we go with the Meguiar's microfiber towels. These are awesome towels, man. I highly recommend it for you guys. So yeah, those are pretty much our steps. I hope you guys use those techniques and keep those things in mind. Very important.